Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Sherry. You're not going to be able to see me on this video because I'm trying to show you guys a science experiment and I can't get myself on here and then show you guys what I need to show you because I'm holding the tablet here. My son needs to be here to help me with that and he's not here. So I'm going to hold it as I'm trying to show you guys the science experiments that we're going to do. Okay, first of all, this one is going to be showing you about oil and water, how oil and water don't mix. So what I've got here is I've got my little glass, my clear glass so that you guys can see. I have 4 things. This is just food coloring with water. And I've got a straw here because we're going to dip. Going to use this straw to dip the food coloring into the glass vase. But first, I'm going to need to put some baby oil in there. So, let me open this up really quickly. My table is a hot mess in here. Let's see. Okay, get the lid off of that. So, I'm going to pour some baby oil in here. And you can use any kind of oil. It doesn't just have to be baby oil. So, I'm going to pour that in there. Looks like water, doesn't it? Probably should have done this beforehand, so it wasn't going to take as long. Trying to pour a lot of it in there so you guys can see. But we're going to see what happens when you put water with oil. And I added the food coloring just so you guys can see what it's going to do. So we can get a better look at it. So there's our baby oil. That's all oil in there. So I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to take some yellow and we're going to drop it in there and let's see what happens. Oh, went straight to the bottom. So I'm going to take another color, darker color that we can see. We'll do this blue here. And let's see what's going to happen with that one. Wow, do you see how it's just going straight to the bottom? I'll take another color. Take this purple. See what happens. Try to get in closer so you guys can see that. See it there? It's just formed like little balls, little circles there, and it's just going straight to the bottom. And one more color. This is like a different blue color. There it's going straight to the bottom. Oh, do you guys see that? How it went straight to the bottom? Let's see if I look at the top. Do you see that? That was water with the food coloring that we put in the baby oil. And the food coloring in the water went straight to the bottom. So, that's pretty cool, huh? And you would think the water would stay on top of the oil. But the reason why that is because the oil molecules, and I tried to get this as simple as I could for you guys, and the more I looked into it, the harder it was going to get to explain. So oil molecules, it's a group of 2 or more things that stick together. So oil molecules are only attracted, which means they only come together with other oil molecules, okay? So oil molecules and oil molecules stick together. Water molecules are only attracted to other water molecules, okay? And oil floats on the top because the oil is less dense than water, okay? And water molecules pack closer together, so they sink to the bottom. So I hope you guys can see that really good. Okay, then I have another one. This one is called, well, it's milk. It's called magic milk. So I've already got my dish over here with milk in it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put some drops of food coloring. And I'm using the neon colors just because I think they're prettier. So I'm going to put a few drops of food coloring in here. see, do a little bit of green in there. Oops. Some green in there. It's a pretty green. We need some, oops. Oh, just putting drops all over. This is something you guys can do at home. This is really fun. It's really cool. And a different pink. Let's see what we got here. Then I'm just going to take a Q-tip. I'm going to dip it in dish soap, like soap that you would wash your dishes with. So here's my soap. We're going to see what's about to happen. You're watching? Whoa, that is really pretty, huh? Really pretty. Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at all those colors. That's really cool, huh? I'll dip the other end. Some more soap. Put it over here. Wasn't working too well. Wow, isn't that cool? Look at those colors. Sometimes you got to get quite a bit of soap on it for it to really work right. Let me get another Q-tip with some more soap. Let's see. I'm going to put it right over here in this corner. Wow. Wow, that's really pretty. Are you guys fascinated by this stuff? Let's see what else we got here. Trying to get a lot of soap on it. Still, get some over here. Separate that up. Wow. I like it. And let's see, get some more soap. See how it's all going together. And do a little bit more. This will be the last one, probably. Made a pretty little design there in the middle, didn't it? This is just milk in here, and then drops of food coloring, and then I just put on the Q-tip some dish soap, like Dawn dish soap. Let's see if I have any more soap to do it with. Okay, I think that's really cool. I think that is really cool, and I've got food coloring all over my hands now. Let's see. To try to explain why that is. Whoops. Okay, and the reason why the food coloring is doing that when we put the soap in is the milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. So when the soap goes into the milk, the fat begins to break up. So that's what's happening when we see all that swirling around. It's beginning to break up. So the soap molecules run around and try to attach itself to the fat that's in the milk. Usually, if we would try to do this, if we didn't have the food coloring, you wouldn't be able to see all of that moving around and taking place. Okay? So you wouldn't be able to see that any other time. If we put another dish soap, the Q-tip in the dish soap, see if there are any more fat molecules that haven't been found. And if we still see them moving around like we were, that meant there were still some fat molecules that were running around loose in there. So that's why you see it all swirling around. It means there's more fat molecules in there. See if we can see that. See how we see it swirling around? That's pretty cool. Still see some movement going on in there. That's really cool though. Okay. Okay, that's going to be it for today, you guys. Sorry y'all wasn't able to see me on here, but it was hard to do trying to do these little experiments and not being able to set the tablet up to where you guys can see me, plus show you guys what I'm trying to show you. So I had some other experiments. They weren't working out at all yesterday. So I'm going to try to find some more that will work, that I can show you guys again. I'm going to look through the work packets that I sent home with you guys on Tuesday, and then we'll go over some of those. We'll either do that later on this evening, tonight, or for sure tomorrow. So talk to you guys later. Bye.